Hello everyone, I hope you'll be quite fine. Today I tell you about bitrix24.com. This is a more powerful email marketing software. So use your CRM database for email marketing. Bitrix comes with the email marketing template, landing page and a capture form builder. You can register free your account and something more about description and basic features: unlimited user free 5 GB free online storage, bulk email from $99 per month, Excel import and export, and emails uh, to CRM. Emails from CRM temp email integration, free mobile app for iOS and Android, API and source code available, and unlimited CRM leads, content campaign deals, and custom sale stages, self funnel, and custom field in CRM, flexible access right, quotes and a invoice, product and product catalog, import and export, and courier and taxes. So best email marketing, instant manager, Instagram, Facebook connection and Telegram marketing, virtual PBX and CRM from design, website template, live chat 24 or 7 days, website visits and learn more, and internal communication and collaboration, company and structure, organization, employee directly, HR tool, chat calls and video conferencing, and news feeds with the relevant news, and employee engagement tools, desktop and mobile app, marketing and integration, on promise addiction with a open source code asset. So 1 million organizations have a chosen bitrix 24. So dear audience, let's go to tools and know about tools. The only business software you need. Okay, replace a multitude of service and a apps with a single ecosystem for your business to work in a explore the tool of bitrix24. So communication, task and projects and CRM, contact center, websites and communication, virtual office for your company to work communication and collaborate at home in the office. HD call and video conference, create conference of a 48 participant talk without any time limit. Record your call and change a background. Okay, see pricing plan. Uh, First year price per month when paying first year 20% less. Renew plan both before August 2021 and check free plan. And the free plan start work online and sell more with a CRM. Unlimited user and 100% free. Register free 5 GB data storage and collaboration, chat, HD video calls, calendar, company, work page, feed, knowledge, and task project, CRM, Drive, Content Center, Website Builder, and the basic package $29, $39 per month, all for all users. 24 GB internal storage, data, collaboration, chat, ID call, calendar, and task project, CRM, Drive, Content Center, Builder, Website Builder, Online Store, Customer Support Standard. Standard $79 per month and unlimited $159 per month. You can see save up to 3600 per month with a bitrux.com. Bitrux on a premise edition. Okay, the one of premise edition of bitrux 24 offer a supreme performance, enterprise and grade security and complete customization designed to be hosted on your own server. This is a version of bitrux 24 come with a full access to a secure code and API, ideal tool for a large enterprise and a corporate enterprise. Features, communication and something more. Scroll down, too much. Okay, too much. Okay, and solution. Click here and solution. Bitrux solution. Bitrux 24 solution by rule, by industry, by need, by tool, by business size, marketing, HR, project management, and customer service. By industry, legal, retailer, travel, transportation, and storage, and restaurants, and remote work, HR. Okay, by need, mobility, productivity, communication, management and leadership. By tool, telephone, calendar, CRM, task and project, website builder, content center. By business size, solo, inter, entrepreneur, small business and enterprise. And partners, Bitrux Bitrux Partner can help you create and manage your Bitrux 24. Our partner can help you select the optional 24 Bitrux 24 subscription plan and provide us something more additional product customizable service on a premise version of Bitrux and something okay, you can see partner login. Okay, now here is a login and if you want to register, here is a register form and app migration in a Bitrux 24. You can see generation of XLXX table from a smart process element field. HR requirement strip bitters and on leisure and fresh books and docs, import Excel, bitrux 24 analytics, CRM, driver integration, ClickTal and activity schedule and something more. So the audience, you can see many more apps, mobile. Okay, elevate your teamwork with our free mobile app. Bitrux mobile app bring together people and information so that you could get more work done faster. Create, collaborate, and communicate with your team in your own online workspace. And however, you are a free and unlimited. So something more about apps and blogs. If you want to know blog, so you can create a blog with bitrux24.com. Thank you for watching this video.